name what?
My name Muffin. Muffin. You can't talk?
Muffin like muffin?
Muffin. Like what you eat.
That's your real name?
Don't worry about my real name. Now, what's that in your head? Like, is that your real hair?
Something in my head? What you mean?
I'm saying like that stuff. That stuff like that.
These?
Yeah. What's that?
These things? Or
No, I'm talking about that stuff. That black, like, you know.
My hair?
Yo. I didn't think that was your hair because don't no boy have no hair like that, you know.
Are you serious?
So,
is that your hair?
No, well, I just got the hair yesterday. This that Brazilian. See, you need to get up on top of that because this stuff right here, some of these girls, we be still, but you see how this moving? Yeah, it moves. See, they got that good hair. See, you don't know nothing about that. You need to get up on top of your Brazilian. I'm like dead for real. Like, what's that in your hair?
These are called locks.
Locks?
Yes. Dreadlocks, locks. I prefer to say locks.
They must be like locked up or something.
You can't take them down.
You can't take them down.
No. Some people can, I can't. You don't know what dreadlocks are? You never seen them locks? Like,
excuse me right quick. This my baby said hi to you. Sir, I can't do that on the ear stuff. So what you need?
Hello? Hey, hey, how you doing?
I'm straight.
Where's the mama doing?
I'm over here. What we at? This restaurant thing with the dude with the long hair.
What?
He ain't nobody. I'm just sitting up here trying to see because he got this long hair. Because I think he gay anyway, so you ain't got nothing to worry about.
Okay, let's not keep me up there.
All right. Bye.
Where are you from? You don't know anything about locks?
Like that stuff that, what's that man name? Lil Wayne, yes! Lil Wayne! You friend with Lil Wayne?
No.
2 Chainz?
No.
Walk Flock. Go shake your hair! Go shake your hair one time! You ain't gonna shake your hair! You went and wash your head.
Wait. Yes, I can wash them. What do you mean? It's just hair. You can wash.
So you take it down to wash it, and then you put it back up?
No.
But how you just gonna wash your head with that stuff up in there?
It's just hair.
You lying. I don't know what you talking about. So you can't take it down because it like locked up?
Seriously.
So you gotta cut all your hair off to get that stuff up out your head?
And it stopped calling it stuff. They're called locks. What you're saying is you don't know anything about your African heritage.
Excuse me, no, you don't know nothing about your heritage because you know you ain't supposed to talk to no black girl like that because I don't know who you think you talking to. I'm black, African, American. I know what I am, alright? I mean, just because I ain't got that stuff in my head don't mean I'm not black. What, you racist?
So I'm really waiting on someone. Can I?
Oh, you trying to tell me move?
No.
Like, who is you waiting on anyway? Who you waiting on? Because I think you waiting on dude because don't know dude wear his hair like that. I'm just saying. What's she gonna do? What's she gonna do when she get here? You waiting on a girl? You waiting on a boy? Because I think you gay with that long hair up in your head like that. You must be gay. You must be gay.
You done?
I mean, you ain't answering none of my questions, no way.
Excuse me, but you need to leave.
Oh, who is he talking to? Oh, let me. Excuse me, but I don't know who you talking to, cause I will cut you up in here, I will cut you. You don't know who you talking to. Shoot, you better go back to Africa and somewhere, cause we don't do this in America. We don't do this. We don't do this, cause I will cut you right here, right now.
I'm not gonna sit here any longer and put up with your foolishness. Learn something for once, okay? You shouldn't go in public like that.
Oh, what? Oh, I'm not cute. Cause my baby daddy
I don't
told
know
me.
who told you that was cute, but it's not. Okay?
You must ain't looked in the mirror. You must see me in my mirror.
Goodbye, ma'am.
See what I look like. Cause I don't know who you talking to. Cause I will go straight hood up in this. All you gotta do is say yes or no, like God dog. I thought California girls white. She talk like a white girl. Do that move. Why you laughing at me?
Are you done?
Yeah, go. That's it. So now. No, you're not. Cause she on fleek. Are you recording me right here?
Girl, put that knife. What's wrong? Girl, how you get up in this restaurant with a knife?